Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is time to do another Stitch Fix unboxing, and thank you, Jesus. Like, can I just tell you, I am foaming at the mouth at the anticipation of this little box of joy showing up on my front step. Is anybody else feeling that way? Like, I'm noticing too, like, just because of everything that's going on and wanting to feel like there's something normal that's still available for us to do, I have been obsessively stalking the shop function in our app. It literally was one day, I kid you not, I was click, 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 to the tune of blowing through like half of the credit bank that I had built up thanks to you guys. Thank you so much for using my referral code. Totally out of control. I'm trying to control myself, and I've noticed like in the beginning when they first launched that, there were maybe like 5 outfits to choose from. Now it's like you can scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll, and it is just like one amazing outfit after another. It is so tempting. So if you are new to my channel, I'm a senior stylist for Stitch Fix. I just passed my 4-year anniversary, and I also style my own fixes. And let's just tear into this bad boy. As I'm doing this, I wanted to tell you guys, like, thank you. Thank you so much for the sweet response you guys gave to my last video. I had thrown it out there that if anybody was having like just a difficult time with anything Corona related, that I'd be happy to just add you to my prayers. And so many of you reached out. First of all, I'm honored that you shared those requests with me. And please know, like, you continue to be in my prayers. I'm sending all the best I possibly can your way. And I hope everything is starting to work out as best it can given the situation. But all in all, like, I love your positive energy and your positive vibes. This is a really good group we have here, and I adore every single one of you. You guys are like a bright ray of sunshine, honestly, and please don't ever lose sight of that positivity that you are actively putting out into the world. Okay, so nice little bundle there, but I also got me some shoes. Yay, shoes for summertime. And now more than ever, heavens to Betsy, like, oh my gosh, everybody in our warehouse that is legitimately going above and beyond just to make sure these boxes look as beautiful as they possibly can. I am in such admiration of our crew. They are amazing. Okay, you guys, so diving right into this one, again with those spring and summer inspired vibes, the first thing that I grabbed was this white top here. Now, I have talked about this 1,000 times on my channel before, but I just love me a good batch of white tops to wear in the warmer weather, especially with a pair of jeans. This one caught my eye mainly because of this beautiful crochet detailing on the front. Just like a pretty, feminine, romantic accent to a piece of clothing. Really was drawn to that. Now, this does have a mixed material to it. So in the back, it has this polyester material that is quite drapey, and I have to be honest with you, like when I tried it on, I just knew it wasn't gonna be for me, and I think it's just a matter of personal preference. I've said before that I am on a mission, if you will, to get away from these heavy polyester materials, especially on a top like this when it has a propensity to kind of like cling to things you don't want it to cling to. It's just the nature of this fabric. So overall, I liked the concept of this, just the execution for me personally, I was not a fan of. So moving right along to jeans. Now, obviously, as we push into the spring and summer season, those lighter rinses become a major trend, and I love the rinse on this pair from Democracy. The other thing I love is that it actually comes with a clean hem. No scissoring to this hem, which I've talked about before. I am loving these days, and they're very hard to find. The other thing that's hard to find is a 27-inch inseam, and these are like my unicorn. These have a 27-inch inseam, which is perfect for me at 5'4½". Now, I want to show you a component to this silhouette that's really interesting, and I'm going to take these off the hanger to show you. So when you get a pair of Absolution jeans from Democracy, it comes with an extra component, that being that elasticized waistband, but it's on the interior of the jean. So obviously that is going to provide give and stretch to the abdomen area, also add some structure to give you more support. Now these are a mid-rise, but I would say they're like a mid to high rise. Very comfortable fit. My issue with these is, and I find this with some pairs of jeans, when it comes to the crotch area, there's just, I need like an inch more. Otherwise, they're kind of like getting way too personal for my taste, which I'm bummed about because otherwise I really enjoyed the fit of these. Again, love the rinse. I don't like the Absolution component. I mean, I can give or take that, but they have a nice stretch that isn't crazy. The other thing I think is interesting, Democracy is really good about providing a flattering backside. So what do I mean by that? Normally, this band here can tend to be straight across a pair of jeans. They give it that dip, like this slight little dip, which actually creates a really flattering silhouette on the backside, in addition to the way that their pockets are shaped. So you see they're not squared off, they're almost like heart-shaped at the bottom. Again, that usually is very flattering. So I can appreciate all those little details that go into making a pair of jeans as flattering as humanly possible, especially when it comes to addressing those trouble spots. So the next one is another top, and I'm all about cute, fun, blousey type tops with a pair of jeans for the spring and summer season. So I grabbed this guy. Again, this is one of those ditzy florals, which we've talked about numerous times here. Ditzy floral just means it's a small floral print, and it's a major trend as we head into the warmer months. This style I really appreciated because of the detailing. Like, you have this lattice detailing that runs vertically along either side of the keyhole, and then at the end of each sleeve, you have this slight little ruffle detailing, which is so dear. I just think that adds such a fun, sweet element to a garment. And then talking about attention to detail, even on the back, I love the fact that you still have the pattern from the front along the collar here in the back, and then it morphs into this mixed material. Now, here's the difference between this mixed material and that of the white top we tried on at the beginning of this video. This feels more like a knit, something akin to like a typical t-shirt. It is very soft, very drapey, but it's not clingy, versus that white one, very drapey, but also very clingy. Now this one I felt ran a little big. The flow factor was going strong on this one. I could easily size down to an extra small from my normal small. And again, what I love about a top like this is the versatility. And I gotta tell you, like, that is a huge aspect to my decision-making process when I'm buying anything. I wanna know, how can I wear it? Can I wear it multiple ways? So not only does this look adorable with jeans, but then I threw it on with one of my favorite skirts, and it's perfect for like a date night, special occasion. And I love that, because that to me means I'm getting the best bang for my buck when it comes to investing in a piece of clothing. So one of the big surprises for me was how much I am loving this skirt from Madewell. Here's why. The style of it is totally me. It's the color story that is it's not me whatsoever. But let's talk about the silhouette first. This is a midi length, which is my absolute favorite, and what I really love about this is the fabrication. So this is a viscose blend, and it feels like that lightweight cotton linen vibe, which is so perfect on like one of those sweltering summer days. Love the detail in terms of this cute little tie in the front. It does have an elasticized back. Again, just Love the drape of this. I mean, it's so breezy. Skirts like this to me are a no-brainer when it comes to the spring and summer months. I can't have enough of them. Now it's a little pricey for my taste. I know it's from Madewell, so I was kind of bracing myself. But again, I just think that the design of it is worth it. It's unique, it's fun. It's unlike anything I have in my closet, or frankly, would naturally be drawn to, again, just because of the color story, because of that salmon, peachy tone and the olive. Really, really like this. And of course it has that like tiered aspect to it as well. So loving this for the warmer months. So breezy, so versatile. Again, you throw this on with a white tank, you're out the door, or jack it up with some heels for date night. So one of the reasons why my little clothing rack here looks as sparse as it does is because I grabbed a pair of shoes for this fix, and I am so intrigued by this perforated design, and we're seeing this a ton lately. Now, this does have a 1.5-inch heel, which I really like because it gives you that lift without killing your feet. It's like the perfect height. And then it has an elasticized strap in the back, easy to get in and out of. There's no like buckle situation that's digging into your ankle bones, which tends to be a problem for me. Now this also is genuine suede, which I love. I want genuine leather, genuine suede. To me, it justifies the price point. And then like, again, talking about that attention to detail, I really like the fact that they added this padded portion here to where your toes sit, just for that extra cushion, which is so nice. I was actually really impressed with how comfortable these are. I guess you're calling this a shootie, a shoe booty this season, but these are just, they're fun, you know what I mean? They're like a fun addition to your wardrobe. Okay guys, so that is it. Oh, need my chair. That is it for this one. And I have to say, like right now I'm leaning towards the skirt. Like I love the fact that this is not polyester. I don't know why, like in the summertime you tend to see a lot of polyester styles in skirts and dresses, and I just know I want I want those more natural type fabrications, materials, and this one definitely fits the bill. But I'm excited for the next fix, which I'm going to schedule right now. Like I'm chomping at the bit. I want to get my hands on as much of our inventory and merchandise as humanly possible to show you guys some of my favorite trends that are rolling out for the spring and summer season. Let me know, like, what are you eyeing, whether it's from Stitch Fix or just in general? Are there certain patterns you're attracted to for spring, summer 2020? Are there certain color stories? Are you dying to get your hands on like the perfect lighter rinse jean? I want to know in the comments down below. And of course, as always, if you are new to Stitch Fix and you're kind of curious about like what it's all about, I will include my referral link down in the description box. You can use it to get a $25 credit towards your first fix, and then the company will give me a $25 credit as well. But in any event, thank you guys so much for sharing your time with me today. I hope you're all having an amazing week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!